durable, and energy-saving products. Upgrade your usual appliances to Fujidenzo HD Inverter Appliances. Fujidenzo, quality above all. Upgrade your home, upgrade your business with Fujidenzo, quality above all.
Time Check was brought to you by Bingo Plus. Download Bingo Plus app now at Google Play or Apple App Store for a chance to win more than 75 million pesos jackpot prize. Visit Bingo Plus official website at bingoplus.com to learn more. With Bingo Plus, bingo sa saya plus sa panalo. That Time Check was brought to you by MX3. Mag MX3 araw-araw para M-Extraordinary.
Mr. Taxman.
Fujidenzo Home and Commercial Appliances. Upgrade your usual appliances to Fujidenzo HD Inverter Appliances. Upgrade your home, upgrade your business with Fujidenzo, quality above all.
Hindi lang to basta product eh. Merong message behind it. And isa sa MX3 na ginawa ni God na way para mas mapalapit tayo sa Kanya.
Hi, this is Faith Garcia, triathlete and beauty queen, and this is my MX3 story.
Faith, so good to see you again. Let's begin the conversation. Can you share with us how MX3 impacted your life?
Ako kasi ate, parang pag may mga endorsements ako, gusto ko talaga yung full trust ko doon sa brand. So MX3 talaga, since 2017 until now, naniniwala ako dito sa product na to.
At balita ko, favorite mo ang mangosteen.
Any fruit ate, favorite ko, pero isa yung mangosteen talaga sa pinaka gusto kong kainin palagi. Important sa akin talaga na alagaan ko yung sarili ko kasi hindi mo na maiiwasan mapagod eh kasi busy talaga ang schedules. So natutulungan talaga ako ng MX3 na mabawasan yung stress physically and dahil sa antioxidants na meron siya, malaking tulong siya sa akin. So kaya ko na-achieve yung mga na-achieve ko like sa sports in general dahil sa MX3. Iba yung feeling ko pag nakakapag-take ako ng MX3 at hindi. Dahil sa MX3, alaga ka!
Technogas Technique transforms your kitchen with safe and efficient appliances. With over 70 years of expertise, Technogas Technique embodies Italian kitchen excellence. Simplify your cooking with Technogas Technique, your cooking partner. That's the Technogas Technique.
Ang buo Aliw Broadcasting Corporation, Station DWIZ AM, Nationwide DWIZ Noobs FM Regional Stations, Home Radio 97.9 at ng Aliw Channel 23 ay nagpapasalamat ng 1,000,000 beses dahil sa laki ng suporta mo sa amin. Really, 1,000,000 thanks to you. Kaya tatapatan din namin ng 1,000,000 thank you ang inyong pakikinig, panonood at pag-follow. Manalo ng 1,000,000 pesos. Aliw Broadcasting Corporation, 1,000,000 pasasalamat nationwide promo. Abangan!
Picture a place adorned with lush greenery, gently swaying trees, a haven where time seems to stand still. Eternal Gardens provides a sanctuary for remembrance, a place where the memories of your loved ones can bloom forever.
Eternal Gardens, a glimpse of heaven on a patch of earth.
Ang buo Aliw Broadcasting Corporation, Station DWIZ AM, Nationwide DWIZ Noobs FM Regional Stations, Home Radio 97.9 at ng Aliw Channel 23 ay nagpapasalamat ng 1,000,000 beses dahil sa laki ng suporta mo sa amin. Really, 1,000,000 thanks to you. Kaya tatapatan din namin ng 1,000,000 thank you ang inyong pakikinig, panonood at pag-follow. Manalo ng 1,000,000 pesos. Aliw Broadcasting Corporation, 1,000,000 milyong pasasalamat nationwide promo. Abangan! Kayang-kaya mo ang kahit na ano kung ikaw mismo ang gagawa nito.
Let's learn new things sa DIY Do It Yourself.
Feeling mo ba nag-i-stutter na minsan ang iyong computer? O di kaya'y bigla na lang itong nagka-crash? Nako, dapat i-check mo na yan dahil baka mayroong corrupted na system file. Para ma-check mo ito, narito kung paano. Step 1. Pindutin sa keyboard ang Windows button. I-type ang CMD at pindutin ang Run as Administrator. Step 2. Kapag lumabas na ang command prompt window, i-type ang dism/online/cleanupimage/checkhealth at i-click ang Enter. Dito malalaman mo kung mayroon bang problema o kung corrupted ang ibang system file sa iyong computer. Step 3. Kung may na-detect na problema, i-type pa rin sa command prompt window ang sfc/scannow. Once na pindutin mo ang Enter, automatically nang i-repair nito ang corrupted file sa iyong computer. Gets mo ba? Sige nga, do it yourself!
DWIZ Balita ngayon!
Isinampa na ang kasong murder laban sa suspect sa pamaril sa isang driver sa EDSA